In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM Price Books module. By the end, you'll know how to create a price book, document it clearly, and add products with the right pricing so your sales team can quote quickly and consistently. Start by signing into Zoho CRM and heading to the home page so you're in the main workspace. From there, open the inventory module and select Price Books. This is where all your pricing tiers live, things like retail, wholesale, partner pricing, or regional pricing. Keeping these organized saves time and prevents mistakes when building quotes, sales orders, and invoices. Click Create Price Book. Give your new price book a clear, meaningful name. For example, you might use something like wholesale or partners. If you manage multiple tiers or date-based pricing, consider a naming convention such as wholesale, Q1, or partners, North Region, to make it easy to find later. Leave the pricing model as it is for now. The default works for most teams starting out, and you can revisit it once your process is established. If you need to, add a description. This is a great place to document who should use this price book, applicable regions, effective dates, or any exceptions. Good descriptions reduce back and forth and make onboarding smoother for new team members. Click Save to create the price book. On the detail page, you can add notes if you want to capture quick reminders, approval details, or internal guidelines that don't belong in the description. Keep notes concise and focused so they're easy to scan. Save your note when you're done. Next, add products to the price book. Click Add Products to open your list of available items. Select the products you want to include. If you don't see a product, make sure it's already created in your products module and that you're filtering the list correctly. For each selected product, enter the list price that applies to this price book. This value represents the selling price used when the price book is applied to quotes and orders. Double-check currency and format, and make sure the numbers reflect your agreed pricing for this tier. Accuracy here keeps your quotes consistent and avoids manual edits later. When the prices look correct, click Add Product to confirm. You can repeat this process to add more items as your catalog grows, and you can always come back to edit prices if your strategy changes. That's it. Your price book is ready to use. Apply it in your sales documents to automatically pull the right prices, and review it periodically to keep it current. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.